This is the 2022 Toyota GR Yaris Circuit Edition. 300 GR Yarises were sold in Mexico. They were sold out in under 24 hours. This car is number 284. This car was built by Turn 14 Distribution and Evasive Motorsports, and it is the SEMA build car. The asking price for this unique build was $60,000. The car has 3,500 miles on the odometer. It has a 1.6 liter turbo inline 3-cylinder and a 6-speed manual transmission. The GR Yaris's engine produces 257 horsepower and 265 foot-pounds of torque. It'll help rocket the car to 62 miles per hour in 5.5 seconds, thanks to its all-wheel drive system. I wish Toyota USA would sell this car. I think it will be a great hit with car enthusiasts. The GR Yaris was built as a homologation special for rallying, and it definitely looks the part with the all-wheel drive and the swollen arches. It also features a carbon fiber roof. Here's the no-nonsense, back-to-basics, driver-focused cockpit. You may also like to watch Analog and Grit's Sunday Grit Volume 2 car show event coverage from August 2024. Be sure to check out my 2024 Monterey Car Week videos. Have an awesome day!